Hi friends, I came with some of the important opportunity for the freshers. Means if you are 2024, 2025, 2026 pass out by, then this video important for you. So first important opportunity from the JustPay, they are hiring software development engineer backend, and this is a full-time role and job location is Bangalore. So this will be your roles and responsibility. You can go through it and apply if you are enthusiastic about architecting expensive framework and interested to solve reliability and performance problem and these all things. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is one of the great opportunity. Coming to our next important opportunity, that is from the Moglix, and they are hiring software engineer freshers hiring form. So you have to just fill this form, and Moglix is a B2B commerce company. So these are the roles. So you will be joining as software engineer, and job location is in Noida, and this is means image joiner are preferred. So you have to give the all details. So if you are from BE, BTech, MTech or MCA, then you can apply for this important hiring. Next important opportunity, that is from the Yes Bank. And your friends, I will provide all the apply link in the description. Make sure to apply as soon as possible, because anytime link might got expired, because in the previous video I provided you update related to IBM, and many candidates got that link is not working. Why? Because sometimes happen that link got expired. Okay, so apply as soon as possible once you are getting the opportunity. And next, this is opportunity from the Yes Bank. They are hiring junior assistant CS, and job description, you will assist in ensuring compliance with company act, support preparation, review filing ROC form, and you can go through complete detail. So required is mom minutes of meeting and company secretariat work. So these all are things. So if you are interested for this, you can apply. And job location is Mumbai and job type is permanent full time. Next important opportunity for the freshers, and from the Capgemini, they are hiring the business service host, means Capgemini business service host, excited to host exclusive women only walk-in drive. So this is women only walk-in drive. So if you are from the BCom or MCom and BBA, then you can apply for that, and you should be flexible for the multiple shift. So if you are interested, you can walk in to this Candor office, A3 Tower, first floor, Kolkata, and 18th Feb is date, means tomorrow is date. So you can share with your friends or colleague who have, means who are meeting the eligibility criteria. Next important from, they are hiring for the Greater Noida location, and salary package is 5 to 10 LPA. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Next important opportunity, that is from the Growth Salary. They are campus mark innovative hiring freshers software developer. So if you are from BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, and if you are freshers also, then you can apply. Okay, and you should be pass out. Package 4.5 to 8 LPA. So you can fill the form. I will provide all the apply link in the description. And friend, if you have been selected for any interview and want to basically boost your preparation for the real interview, then you can fill our mock interview form. We will provide you dedicated support and feedback for you. Next important opportunity from the IndiaMart, they are hiring the tele associate, and salary is up to 25K per month. So location work from home and female candidates only. So if you are female, then you can basically fill or apply now. Next important opportunity from the Stable Money, they are hiring for the role of SD internship, and if you are 2026 pass out 2025, then you can apply, and per month you will get stipend from 35,000 to 50,000. So this is one a great opportunity, everyone should apply. So friend, for getting such important content, make sure to support and subscribe us. And if you have any query, feel free to ask here, because soon TCS NQT, Cognizant, other off campus hiring will be announced. So if you want those all updates, you can subscribe us and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't applied for ICIC Aspire program, because this is mass hiring, so you should apply, and you can go through our other video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.